Welcome back, my students, in part 2 in paper 2 for the progression test for 2023. Let's read here. Lily counts the number of people on the 12 buses that arrived at Bojouf bus station in one day. 23, 29, 20, 27, and so on. And this is the stem and leaf diagram in her results. And this is the key. Lily makes some mistakes on her stem and leaf diagram. Redraw the stem and leaf diagram correctly below. First of all, the stem and leaf diagram, what I'm going to do. First of all, take a look here. If there is a number here, only units, I should put 0 here. Then collect all the tens like this and put it in the stem in order. What I have here, I have 0, 1, 2, 4. So I'm going to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, first of all, take all the numbers starting with 0 in order from the smallest to the greatest. I have only 8. So I'm going to write here 8. Then 1, I have what? I have here 6, 7, 9. Only 6, 7, 9. Write it in order. So I'm going to write 6, 7, 9. Then for 2, I have 0. Then I can write them here to order them. 20. Then 23. Then 27. Another 27. Then 28. Then 29. So I'm going to write them here in order. 0 means 20, 3, 23, 7, 7, 8, 9. Okay, do we have here 3? No, so I will leave it empty. Then 4, I have 41 and 44. So write here 1 and 4. So first, what did she make wrong? Here, she didn't repeat the 7 for this, okay? Then here, she didn't put them in order. Should be 1, then 4, okay? Then the key, what? Here, 1, 6 represents 16 buses. Let's read the question again. Lily counts the number of people. So this is not buses, it is people. So here, the key, I can write the same. Here, represent 16 people. And that's it. Okay. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 40. Draw a ring around the number of sides of this polygon. What is the rule of the exterior angle? The exterior angle of any regular polygon equal 360 divided by n. So 360 divided by n, which is the number of sides, should be equal 40. So crisscross 40n equal 360. So I can say that n equal 9. Circle the 9. Some equations of straight line have been placed in this Venn diagram, as we see here. First of all, write down a description of the straight line in set A. Let's see set A and notice what happened, what is common between them. Y equal 3x plus 3, y equal 3x minus 4, y equal 3x minus 2. We can notice that all of them 3, 3, 3, which is the gradient. So all the straight lines are having gradient equal 3, m equal 3. Okay, write a description for the straight lines in set B. Let's see here, set B. This is common between set A and set B. 3x minus 2, x minus 2, 9x minus 2, negative 2x minus 2. So all of them minus 2, which is what? Which is the y-intercept. So all of them having y-intercept equal minus 2. so b equal minus 2. Okay, write the equation y equal negative 2x plus 3 in the correct part in Venn diagram. I'm going to ask myself, here, is the gradient equal 3? No, so it shouldn't be at set A. Okay, here, is the gradient equal, is the y-intercept negative 2? No, so it shouldn't be at set B. So I'm going to write it outside here, y equal negative 2x plus 3. And that's it. Okay, the map shows the position of two lighthouses A and B. This map is drawn to scale 1 to 50,000. Take care that 1 to 50,000, this is centimeter and this is also centimeter. So any number I'm going to deal with in the question should convert it to centimeter. Okay? Okay, here is A and here is B. Let's read the question. The bearing of chip S from the lighthouse A is 80 degree. From this is 80 degree. Okay, and from the lighthouse B is 1.8 kilometer. Before starting anything, I should convert this into what? First into centimeter. Then go to the scale and say and convert it to the according to the scale. Okay, first multiply by 1000 to convert it to meter, then multiply by 100 to convert it to centimeter. So it's gonna be 1.8. You can use the calculator or you can do it direct with 4 zeros. Okay, then the scale 1 here, 3 zeros, and here. So this is x. X will be equal then x, this divided by this, we are going to use the calculator. Equal 3.6 centimeter on the drawing or on the map. Okay, let's see here what we are going to do. First of all, from A, I'm going to measure the angle 80. We are going to use our protractor. How to put our protractor here? I'm going to put it this point on A, like this. And this refers to the 0. If this is referring to the 0, I'm going to count from the outer scale here. I'm going to count from the outer scale here, starting with 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Then put a point and draw a line like this. Till now, it's okay. Then, from C, it is what? 1.8 kilometers, which we got it at 3.6 centimeter. I'm going to open my compass on 3.6 centimeter. Here I'm going to stand here and open to 3.6 centimeter like this. Okay, then here, this is the open. Here, show the two possible positions. So I'm going to stand on B, and there is two answers here. One arc from here and one arc from the other side here. One arc from here and one arc from the other side here. Then this is the first position and this is the second position. This is 1 and this is 2. And both of them will be far from point B, 3.6 centimeter. As we can check here, 3.6 centimeter, and check here also 3.6 centimeter, and both of them with angle 80 degree like that. Okay. Expand and simplify. We used to do this a lot of times. So we are going to hold this x first. X multiply x will be x squared. X multiply -7, -7x. Then take the 4, 4 multiply x, 4x, 4 multiply negative 7, negative 28. Then combine like terms, x squared, negative 7 plus 4 gonna be negative 3x minus 28. So the final answer will be x squared minus 3x minus 28. Okay. Yuri has a box containing white milk, plain chocolate in this ratio, 12 milk, plain. Okay, there are more than 50 chocolates, so the total of them more than 50 chocolate in the box. So find the smallest possible number of milk chocolates in the box. What I'm going to do here, the white to the milk to the plain to the total. This is 12, 7, 2. And the total of them, 12 plus 7 plus 2 equal 21. Okay, I'm going to write an equation, which is this 12x plus 7x plus 2x should be greater than 50. So 12x plus 7x plus 2x should be greater than what? 50. Okay, 12 plus 7 plus 2, 21. X should be greater than 50. Divided by 21, divided by 21. So x should be greater by 50 divided by 21 should be greater than 2.38. What is the smallest integer greater than 2.38? What is the nearest integer you are going to meet above 2.38? It is 3. Okay, so x equal 3. Go back here to the, he's asking about the milk chocolate. So the milk equal 7x. So the milk, which is equal 7x, equal 7 multiplied by 3 equal 21. Okay, here. Rearrange the formula to make x the subject. So y equal 9 over 5x plus 4. To make x the subject means I want this x alone. What I'm going to do, start with the further. When we change the subject, we start with the further. Mean I'm going to start with this 4. Get rid of this 4, send it to the other side by negative. So this will be y minus 4 equal 9 over 5 x. Then if I want to get rid of this, multiply the both sides by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is 9 over 5. So multiply here by 5 over 9 and multiply here by 5 over 9. This will be crossed with this and x will be equal 5 over 9 y minus 4, and I should write it here, 5 over 9 y minus 4. Okay, complete the table of values. 3x plus 2y equal 4. X negative 1, x equal 0, x equal 3. Means I'm going to substitute each time with x equal negative 1 here, then x equal 0, then x equal 3. I can do it directly and I can change the subject into x or isolate x first. So here 3x plus 2y equal 4. Send this to the other side. So 2y equal 4 minus 3x. Then divided by 2, divided by 2. So y will be equal 4 minus 3x divided by 2. So I can do it directly on the calculator. Look here, put x equal negative 1. So here 4 minus 3 multiplied by negative 1 and down 2. The answer directly will be 3.5. Then go here and change this negative 1 into 0. The answer will be 2, and go up again and change this into 3. The answer will be negative 2.5. Don't waste your time. Okay, now we are going to grab this table into this graph. Okay, negative 1 and 3.5. Negative 1 and 3.5 means here. Then 0 and 2. 0, go up to 2. Then 3 and negative 2.5. 3 and negative 2.5. it should what form a straight line. If it didn't form a straight line, so there is some mistakes here. Okay, let's see here. Join them like this, put an arrow like this, and put an arrow like this, and this will be the final answer. Let's read question number 18. A cylinder had a radius of 6 centimeter and height equal 20 centimeter. Find the total surface area. What is the total surface area here? I have here 3 surfaces. This the first circle, which is pi r square, and the top, this is the bottom, and the top pi r square, and this rounded circle, which is rectangle like this, 2 pi r, and this is h, so this will be 2 pi r h. So the total area will be what? Will be 2 of them. Total surface area will be equal 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Then substitute 2 pi, and the radius equals 6 power 2 plus 2 pi, the radius equals 6 and the height equal 20, and go direct to the calculator and do this. Here we are going to write, open a bracket, 2 pi, then multiply by 6 square, then close the bracket like this. Okay, then plus, open another bracket, 2 and by, multiply by 6, multiply by 20, then close the bracket, and this will be the answer. If the answer got like this, you can press on this SD to find it as decimal. So the answer will be what? 980. So I'm going to write here 980 centimeters square. We are going to stop here and continue part 3 and the rest of the exam in another video. Wait for me.